Yes, I will. The chit conversation. We do a lot of chit-chatting with our friends, don't we? Similarly, Hiral, Hitanshi, Sejal and Ashika too are chit-chatting with each other in their classroom, but in a little different way. Let us see how. During Gujarati class, Hiral passed a chit to Hitanshi. She read it and passed it to Sejal. Sejal passed it to Ashika. She was about to open the chit, but the teacher took it. He threw it in the dustbin. In the recess time, Ashika found the chit from the dustbin. Let us find out what was written on the chit. Pass it on. Similar to this chit conversation of Hiral, Hitanshi, Sejal and Ashika, yesterday during English class, Kuldeep, Narendra, Sahil and Rashmi too had a chit conversation. Come, let us take a look at their chits. Against every dialogue, the first letter of their names has been indicated, signifying who said what. Kabaddi at 5? N. No, let's play chess. R. Sure thing. I have chess. Let's sharpen our brain. K. Oh, Lady Vishwanathan, our decision is kabaddi. N. Thanks, okay. No chess, no kabaddi. Go for berries in my farm. R. Not today. Berries on Sunday. Full day. I will bring chaat masala. S. But today? Manjeera? N. Cool down, Angry Bird. We will play kabaddi. They will play chess. How's that? S. Fine. I do agree. Rashmi, please. N. Okay. You pull legs. We'll be with kings and queens. R. Yes, I will. The picnic. Let us read a passage. Yesterday was Sunday. Shivani went on a picnic with her family. Her friend Neetu also went with them. They went to a picnic place near the lake. The children sat near the lake. Neetu said, "The water is clean. Let's keep our legs in it." "Oh, how cold it is," Mother said. "Look here, children. Be careful." "Okay," said the children. It was about noon. Mother said, "Yes," with joy. They sat under a banyan tree. It was about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Father said, "Come, children, let's go for a boat ride." They all went for a boat ride. The children sang the song. "Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life's happy dream." Let us now match the sentences in column A with sentences in column B, which are based on the passage we just read. Column A. Let's keep our legs in the water. Let's eat something. Let's go for a boat ride. Let's sing a song. Column B. They sang a song. They sat under a banyan tree. They put their legs in the water. They all went for a boat ride. Let's keep our legs in the water. They put their legs in the water. Let's eat something. They sat under a banyan tree. Let's go for a boat ride. They all went for a boat ride. Let's sing a song. They sang a song. With the help of the first example, let us similarly complete the sentences and also create sentences. A. Let's fly kites. B. They bought 5 kites. A. Let's dash kabaddi. B. They played kabaddi. A. Let's play kabaddi. B. They played kabaddi. A. Dash. B. We read storybooks in the recess. A. Let's read storybooks. B. We read storybooks in the recess. A. Dash. B. Ashika and Rahul wrote a letter. A. Let's write a letter. B. Ashika and Rahul wrote a letter. Yes, I will.
Can I have your 5 minutes? What do you use to wash your hair? Shampoo or some other thing? Today, let's meet a salesman who sells shampoo and observe his sales strategy. Harry Patel is a salesman. He meets different people, talks with them, and sells the shampoo. Yesterday, he met 3 people. In the morning, he was at Mr. Jadeja's doorstep. He rang the doorbell. Mr. Jadeja opened the door. Harry smiled and said, "Hello, sir. I'm Harry from Happy Herbal Shampoo. Can I have your 5 minutes?" Mr. Jadeja welcomed him. Harry took a seat in front of Mr. Jadeja. "Oh, a beautiful drawing room. Sir, this is our new product for people like you. It cleans hair quickly and saves time. We call it Happy Herbal Shampoo, the Quicker." "Is it really quick? Give me a proof. You know, I'm a policeman." "Yes, sir, I know." "Sir, just 3 minutes. It will take only 3 minutes." "Oh, I can't believe it." "Well, sir, it is our special formula. It has less foam. Just keep it for 3 minutes and you will have clean hair." "Let me think." "Sir, you can buy a small bottle and try it for only ₹75. I'm sure it'll satisfy you. And if not, I will take it back and return your money." Mr. Jadeja agreed and bought 100 ml of Quicker shampoo. Harry thanked him and gave his visiting card. Harry Patel, salesman, Happy Hair and Care. Let your hair also smile. Visit us http://happyhair.in. Contact me harry2007@happyhair.com. Mobile number +91 111 111 1111. Next, he went to Mrs. Sharda Modi's house. He reached the doorstep and read the nameplate. Mrs. Modi welcomed him. "Hello, ma'am. I'm Harry from Happy Herbal Shampoo. Can I have your 5 minutes?" "Sorry, Mr. Patel. No time today. I'm already late for the school Praveshotsav function. I'm the chief guest there." "Okay, can I have your contact number?" "Why not? Here is my card. Take an appointment and then come." "I will. Thank you." Mrs. Sharda Modi, BA LLB, Mayor, Sardar Nagar, Gujarat, India. Office number 02670 44444. Residence number 02670 66666. www.sardarnagar.thevibrantkcity.guj.in. It was 12:30. He was hungry. On his way, he saw a board. Reshma Beauty Parlor. A good place for wholesale business. Let me try. He passed the glass door and entered. He saw a lady at the desk. Hello, ma'am. I'm Harry from Happy Herbal Shampoo. May I have your 5 minutes? Without waiting for Reshma's reply, he took out the shampoo bottles from his bag. Ma'am, here we have special products for hair washing. This is the Happy Herbal Quicker. It cleans the hair quickly. And this one is Happy Herbal Lighter. It helps. Look, Mr. Harry, I'm Harry Patel. Harry, I'm sorry. No quicker shampoos like this. Sometimes these types of shampoos spoil our hair, and that can spoil my business. No, ma'am. This quicker will speed up your business and raise your customers' hair. It has pure herbs like arita, amla and shikakai. It has so many other things too. Read it on the label. Reshma read the label. And what is the price? Oh, 152 rupees for a 220 ml bottle. Ma'am, it is the retail price. I can offer you a good discount. Let me see. He opened his diary. Take this 500 ml big bottle. It will cost you 320 rupees. But 1500 rupees for 5 same bottles. Then it's okay. Please give me 5 bottles. They exchanged their visiting cards. We care for you. Natural beauty care. Reshma Beauty Parlor. Mehendi Specialist. Shop number 17 near Supermarket. Sanala Road, Morvi. Mobile number +91 9999 999999. Harry thanked her and felt hungry again. This time, his hunger was stronger. Given are a few sentences from the text. Read them carefully and mention the initials of the person who said them. If Harry, then mention the letter H. If Jadeja, then mention the letter J. If Reshma, then mention the letter R. And if Sharda Bain, then mention the letter S. How can you say that it will save my time? This sentence is said by Jadeja, so the letter we write is letter J. Hello, I am Mr. Patel. I am a salesman. This sentence is said by Harry, so the letter H. Our company has made this shampoo for the people like you. This sentence is said by Harry, so the letter H. I am very careful about customers' hair. This sentence is said by Reshma, so the letter R. I need your 5 minutes. This sentence is said by Harry, so the letter H. I am in a hurry. I have a function in a school. This sentence is said by Sharda Bain, so the letter S. The market price is different. This sentence is said by Harry, so the letter H. Don't you have some conditioners with shampoo? This sentence is said by Reshma, so the letter R. It is 2 in 1. Shampoo with conditioner. This sentence is said by Harry, so the letter H. We will meet some other day. This sentence is said by Sharda Bain, so the letter S. As per the given sentences, mention the letter P if the sentence depicts propose, A, if it depicts accept, and D, if it depicts decline. Let's play chess. In this sentence, the narrator is asking other to play chess. So he is proposing, hence the letter P. Why not? Let's play. In this sentence, the narrator is accepting the proposal of playing chess, hence the letter A. Sorry, I like to play Kho-Kho. In this sentence, the narrator is refusing to play chess, hence the letter D. Sure, let me see it. In this sentence, the narrator is accepting the proposal of playing chess, hence the letter A. Please open that window. In this sentence, the narrator is requesting to open the window, hence the letter P. Papa, will you help me with my homework? In this sentence, the narrator is asking for help, hence the letter P. Sure. In this sentence, the narrator is accepting the proposal of doing the homework, hence the letter A. Sorry, I have tried, but I could not open it. In this sentence, the narrator has tried but couldn't do an act, hence the letter D. Let me ask the other members of the band. I will tell you tomorrow. In this sentence, the narrator will be asking others, hence the letter P. Definitely, all my friends will be happy. In this sentence, the narrator is expressing agreement, hence the letter A. Oh, I like it. Wait for 5 minutes, then I will be with you. In this sentence, the narrator is expressing willingness, hence the letter A. Let us now write the sentence in the given table. Under the header Prastav, we shall write the situation or sentences propose, and under the header Pratibhav, we shall write the positive response under yes and negative response under no. Let us match the conversation between Vijay Bhai and Ragini given in column Vijay Bhai and the column Ragini. Column Vijay Bhai. Hello, happy herbal shampoo? Column Ragini. Yes sir, what can I do for you? Column Vijay Bhai. I want to buy your shampoo for my shop. Column Ragini. How many bottles do you want? Column Vijay Bhai. 20 bottles, different flavors. Can I have the price list? Column Ragini. Sure sir, our salesman will come to you. Column Vijay Bhai. Thanks, that's a better option. Complete the conversation between Harry and Chiman Bhai using the appropriate words given in the bracket. Harry, is it Mrs. Shardaben Modi's number? Chiman Bhai. The appropriate answer here from the given choices is yes, who is speaking? Harry. I am Harry from Happy Herbal Shampoo. Chiman Bhai. Yes, Mr. Harry. The appropriate answer here from the given choices is Madam is in a meeting. Harry. When can I meet her? Chiman Bhai. The appropriate answer here from the given choices is Sorry, I cannot give you the time. Harry, will you please give my number to her? Chiman Bhai. The appropriate answer here from the given choices is Sure, I will.
Yes, I will.
Zubin and his mother. Hey, Look at the bubbles surrounding Zubin and his mother. Oh, it's their conversation. But they have got jumbled. Let us first find who has made which statement and then read their conversation. Write Z for Zubin's dialogues and M for the dialogues said by Zubin's mother. Let us begin with this bubble. All right, but a small piece. This statement is made by Zubin's mother, so we shall write M beside it. Is it all right if I take some orange juice? This statement is made by Zubin, so we shall write Z beside it. No, you have had enough for now. Zubin's mother has made this statement, so we write M beside it. I'm feeling hungry. May I have a laddu, please? Zubin has made this statement, so we shall write Z beside it. That cake looks nice. Do you mind if I take some? Zubin has made this statement, so we shall write Z beside it. Yes, of course, Zubin. Zubin's mother has made this statement, so we write M beside it. Oh, those gulab jamuns. May I have a few? Zubin has made this statement, so we shall write Z beside it. I don't think that's a good idea. It's nearly dinner time. Zubin's mother has made this statement, so we write M beside it. Now that we have found who has made which statement, let us arrange them in an order and then read the entire conversation. Zubin: I'm feeling hungry. May I have a laddu, please? Mother: Yes, of course, Zubin. Zubin: That cake looks nice. Do you mind if I take some? Mother: All right, but a small piece. Zubin: Oh, those gulab jamuns. May I have a few? Mother: No, you have had enough for now. Zubin: Is it all right if I take some orange juice? Mother: I don't think that's a good idea. It's nearly dinner time. Here is the wrapper of Happy Herbal Shampoo. Come, let us read it. Happy Herbal Hair Cleanser, enriched with Amla, Arita, Shikakai and Jasud. For external use only. Gently cleanses and makes hair soft and black. Its regular use helps control dandruff, hair fall and premature graying of hair. Ingredients: Arita 20%, Amla 15%, Shikakai 15%, Jasud 5%, Chandan 5%, Bhringraj 5%, water to make 100% and fragrance blended with coconut oil. Directions: Gently massage cleanser into wet hair and scalp. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Repeat if necessary. Safe for daily use. Net volume 220 ml. Manufacturing license number GA/844. Maximum retail price Rs 152. Manufacturing date 6/2013. Best use before 3 years from the date of manufacturing. Customer care telephone number +91 79 555 555. Email herbalcare@happy.com. Online buying happyhair.com. Just like Happy Herbal Shampoo product, There are many other products in the market. Here is a table consisting of the different products' name along with their key ingredients, and the table also indicates if the ingredients used in the products are harmful or harmless. Let us read the table. 1. Product name: Happy Herbal Shampoo. Key ingredients: Arita 20%, harmless. Amla 15%, harmless. Shikakai 15%, harmless. 2. Product name: Nile Shampoo. Key ingredients: hibiscus, harmless. Papaya, harmless. Amla, harmless. 3. Product name: Silky Shampoo. Key ingredients: sodium sulfate, harmful. 4. Product name: White toothpaste. Key ingredients: triclosan, harmful. 5. Product name: Bright toothpaste. Key ingredients: cinnamon, harmless. Now that we know about the different products and whether the ingredients used in them are harmful or harmless, let us complete the dialogues by giving our own response to the products. For example, Harry: Please buy our Happy Herbal quicker. As per the information in the table, we know that the ingredients used in this product are all harmless. Hence, our response will be you. Oh, I like it. It is just right for me. Let's move to the next product. Shopkeeper: Please take this Nile shampoo. You. Oh, I use it. And I like it. Your friend: Let's take Silky shampoo. You. Oh no, I do not like it. Salesman: Our white toothpaste is good for you. You. Oh no, I do not use it. Sorry. Father: Will you take bright toothpaste? You. Yes, I will. I like it.